Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to online classes. This side Hema Yadav from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, today we are going to book work of chapter 1. The chapter is numbers 1 to 9. So before starting book work, let's see what are numbers. Numbers are, children, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And children, what are number names? Number names are the spellings of the number. Like spelling of 1 is O-N-E 1, 2 T-W-O 2, 3 T-H-R-E-E 3, 4 F-O-U-R 4, 5 F-I-V-E 5, 6 S-I-H 6, 7 S-E-V-E and 7, 8 E-I-G-S-T 8, 9 N-I-N-E 9. These are the number names of all these numbers. So take out your books and open page number 4 and start doing your work with sharpened pencil. Now children, in this chapter we are going to cover these topics: counting 1 to 9, concept of 0, bigger or smaller numbers, more or less, equal, before, after, between, and ordering of numbers. Now look here, the question number 1 is match the picture with the number names. Children, here number names are written, so you have to do match these number names with these pictures which are given here. Now we have to count the objects which are given in the picture, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will match these objects with the number names. How many rabbits are here? 4 rabbits are here. So we will find out where 4 is written here. The spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R. It is written in front of F number, so we will write F in front of this picture. Second one is, now you can see how many fish are here. We have to count the fishes which are here: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have to find out where 5 is written here in these number names. The spelling of 5 is F-I-V-E 5, and A is written in front of 5. So we have to write A in front of these fish. I hope you have cleared this question. Now rest of the question you can do yourself. Now come to the question number 2. Count the animals and write their numbers and number names. Children, one picture is given here and so many animals are here. So we have to count one by one animal which are given here, and we have to write their number and number names also. First one is done for you, so we will see second one. Starfish is given here, so we will count where starfish are here in this picture. How many starfish are here? We have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we will write 8 number is here, and number name of 8 is E-I-G-H-T 8. I hope you have understood. Now rest of you can do yourself. Now children, I want to tell you one thing more. How can we count the objects? How can we count the numbers? We can count the numbers by using objects, our fingers, and on abacus we can count the numbers. Look here, I am having pencils. Now I am going to count these objects. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we can use objects for counting the numbers. And how can we use our hand for counting the numbers? We can use our finger for counting the numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I hope you have understood. Now I am going to show you abacus. What is abacus? Here 3 rods are. This rod stands for hundreds, this one is for tens, and this one is for ones. So children, what the number we are reading here? We are studying here only ones number, one digit number. So we will count one digit number only on one's rod. like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can count how many beads are here. 4 beads are here. So we will write 4. This is the single digit. So we will count these digits on one's rod. So children, this is abacus. You can count the numbers on abacus like this. Now come at the question number 3. Fill in the empty boxes. Children, here we have to fill these empty boxes which are given here. So we have to read the question first of all. 2 monkeys hanging on a tree. Monkeys jump away. How many monkeys jump away? 2 monkeys jump away from here. Now how many monkeys are left here? Here is no monkey. So we will write 0 instead of writing no. I am giving you one more example. I am having few pencils in my hand. Now I used all pencils. So how many pencils are left with me now? Nothing. I have nothing. So instead of using nothing word in maths, we use 0. This is 0 and the spelling of 0 is Z-E-R-O. I hope you have understood. Let's see one more example of it. Question number C. 6 apples in a plate. How many apples are here? 6 apples. Apples are eaten and eaten apples are also 6. Means all apples have eaten. So how many are left? Nothing has left here. So instead of using nothing word, we will write 0 here. I hope you have understood. Now you can do the remaining sums yourself. Now question number 4, look at the picture and write bigger or smaller. Children, now we will see the concept of bigger and smaller. What is bigger and what is smaller? When you look around, you see so many things. Some things are smaller and some things are bigger. So how can you find out which one is bigger and which one is smaller? Look here, you can see mummy cow is bigger than a calf. In these 2 pictures, you can see 2 cows are here. Which one is bigger? Your mama is bigger at your home, your papa is bigger at your home. So mama cow is also bigger here than the calf. I hope you have understood. Just like the objects, animals and person, numbers are also bigger and smaller. How can we identify which number is bigger and which number is smaller? We will see in the next question. Circle the smaller number. Here 2 numbers are written, 6 and 3. Circle the smaller numbers. Here 2 numbers are written, 6 and 3. We have to find out which number is smaller here. Children, the number which is closer to 0, that will be smaller. Look here, I am giving you one example on the board. Suppose I am writing 2 numbers here. Like 7 and 6, and we have to find out which number is smaller. So the number which is closer to 0, which number is closer to 0 here? Look here, 6 is coming first, then 7. So it will be closer to 0 and this number will be smaller. I hope you have understood. Now look at the question number B. Numbers are given 4 and 7. So we have to find out which number is smaller here. The number again which is closer to 0, that will be smaller. The 4 is closer to 0, so it will be smaller. Rest of the question you can do yourself. Now circle the bigger number. Similarly, like the number which are closer to 0, now we can say the number which are far from 0, that will be bigger number. So look here, 9 and 3 is given here. So we have to find out which number is far from 0. That will be 9. You can see it on the number line. Look here, 9 is far away from 0, so it will be bigger than 3. Look at the question number B, 2 and 7. Now again check the numbers on number line. The number 7 is far away from 0, so it will be bigger number. Rest of the questions you can do yourself. Number the pictures according to size from small to big. Cross the biggest picture. The first one has been done for you as an example. Children, what you have to do? First of all, you have to Number the picture according to their size. We have to start from small to bigger. So first of all we have to check which object is smaller. Here you can see this pencil is smaller among these three. So we will write 1 under it. Now remaining two pencils, which one is smaller? This one is smaller, so we will write 2 under it, and this one is the bigger pencil here, so we will write 3 under it. Now what we have to do? We have to cross the bigger one. This one is bigger, so we will cross this pencil. Now this question you can do yourself. So children, now come to the question number 8. Count and write the number, then write more or less and put the correct sign of greater and lesser than. Now we have to count first of all which is given here. Here 1 squirrel, so we will write 1 under it. Here 3 squirrels, so we will count these squirrel and write 3 under it, and write 1 is less than 3 and put the sign of lesser than here. This is 1 lesser than 3. I hope you have understood. Rest you can do yourself. So children, come to the question number 9. Put the correct sign of greater or lesser than. Now look at this question number A. 3 and 2. Two numbers are written here. So we have to put which number is bigger here? We have to put the 3 is bigger, so we have to put the sign of greater than here. So we will read it like 3 is greater than 2. Now rest of the question you can do yourself. Now count and write the number, then write equal or not equal and put the correct sign of this is equal sign or this one is not equal sign. First of all we will count the objects. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chocolates are here. So we will write 5 under it, and here 1, 2, only 2 chocolates are here, so we will write 2 under it. Now we will compare these two numbers. These both are equal, both numbers are same? No, both numbers are not same. So we will write not equal for them. So we will read 5 is not equal to 2. I hope you have understood. Now rest of the questions you can do yourself. This is also same. Put the correct sign of greater, lesser or equal to sign. Now come at the question number D. 7 and 7. Both numbers are same here. So we will put the sign of equal here. This is the sign of equal. So we will read it like 7 is equal to 7. Now rest of the questions you can do yourself. Come at the question number 12. Count the number of object and write in the second square, then write the number that come just before it. First of all we will count the numbers which are given. We will count the objects which are given here. So let's start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and after counting this we will write this number in the second square. 4 will come here after counting it, so we will write 4 in the second square, and after writing 4 we have to write the before number of 4. This is 3. I hope you have understood. Rest of the questions you can do of this by yourself. Now question number 13. Write the number that comes just before the given number. It is also same from the like the previous question. So we will check the second number and we will write the previous number of this. 7 is written here, so we have to write the before number of 7, that is 6. Rest of you can do. Now come at the question number 14. Count the number of objects and write in the first square. Then write the number that comes just after it. Again we have to count the objects. So let's counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and what we will do here, we will write 6 in the first square in this. Clear? Now we will write the after number of 6. This is 7. I hope you have understood. Rest of the question you can do by yourself. Count the objects first of all, then write the number which is coming here in first box and write the after number of that number. This is also same. Write the number that comes just after the given number. Here 2 is given, so we will write after number of 2. This is 3. All questions are same here, so you can do yourself. Now come to the question number 16. Write the number that comes between in the given numbers and color the objects. Children, 2 numbers are given here, 3 and 5. We have to write the between number of 3 and 5. This is 4. 4 is written, so we will color 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in this, look at the question number B. We have to write the between number of 7 and 9. This is 8. So we will color the 8 butterflies here. Rest of the questions you can do yourself. Arrange the numbers in increasing order. Children, you know the meaning of increasing. Increasing means smaller to bigger. So first of all, we have to find out the smaller number here. The numbers are 4, 1, 2, 3. So first of all, we will check which number is smaller here. 1 is small, so we will write 1 first of all. Then big number, after 1, 2 is big. Then 1, so we will write 2 after it. Then bigger number, this is 3. So we will write 3, and at last we will write biggest number, this is 4. I hope you have understood. Rest of the questions you can do by yourself. Now come at the question number 18. Arrange the numbers in decreasing order. Children, you know what is decreasing means? Decreasing means bigger to smaller. Here we have to find out the bigger number first. Numbers are 3, 7, 5, 8. Now you can find out which number is bigger here. 8 is bigger. So first of all we will write bigger number 8 here. After that small number, this is 7. Then smaller